Part number LTCSS-50 is a stainless steel liquid tight connector. It's made with an easy removable gland and it installs when using liquid tight conduit in wet, outdoor, or industrial applications. It comes complete with a stainless lock nut that's easily removed for attaching it to your junction box, as well as an insulated throat to prevent any wire abrasion. Don't get caught in the field needing to replace your connectors on flexible conduit every couple of years. If you're near the ocean or you're in a wet environment, choose Garvin stainless steel liquid tight connectors every time. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.